Hi friends, welcome to Indian Mom's Kitchen. Ingredients for today's recipe are given in the description box below along with its measurements. Please do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications for every new video that I upload. Today's recipe is an Amritsari Paneer Bhurji. Unlike normal Bhurjis, this Bhurji is special because it's super yummy. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add 4 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. Saute the besan on low flame till it changes color and gives out a lovely aroma. To the besan, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Saute everything together. Add 1 teaspoon of Jeera or Cumin powder, half a teaspoon of AMCHUR powder. Mix well. To this add half a cup of water. Cook till the water dries up. Add half cup more of water and take this mixture off the flame. Continuously stir it till there are no more lumps. Keep this besan mixture aside to cool. In another pan, heat 1 teaspoon of ghee. To this add 1 onion and 3 green chilies finely chopped. Saute for a couple of minutes. And then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes and add to it 2 tomatoes cut into round slices. Add salt to taste and saute till the tomatoes become soft. After the tomatoes are soft, add the besan masala mixture. Mix well. Add 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil. To the boiling mixture, add 200 grams of paneer, roughly crumbled. Mix well. To this add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala. Garnish with a few coriander leaves. And a super yummy Amritsari Paneer Bhurji is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.